Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographic Coatings here. Hey, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a voiceover. We're doing a burrow table. It's about 70 years old. Uh, they made it out of laminate over some very cheap wood, so I had to waterproof it. But we're going to dip the center section here today with some accent features around it. Um, I've noticed some moisture on the surface here, and that of course has to be wiped off completely dry before you can adhere any of your film to it. Um, got a couple handles on the back of it, just screwed in a couple simple handles for some holders. Aqualac gold metallic base. And the film we laid, the yellow tape lines are the sections I don't want any film on. Right now I'm going into the dark walnut burrow wood. And just take your time on this process here. There's details on the edge work that has to kind of lay in there real nice. So after this slow process here, we'll rinse the whole thing off real good. Once we understand that we've got a good dip, rinse it off real well, get everything cleaned on it. Try not to get any of the floating film back up on the surface. There we go, the dip looks good. Now I'm going to take it over and mask everything else off, and leave the stripes exposed, or the accent features, and then dip one side in each time. You can see the masking paper and tape. Now, one secret that I found is if you don't mask right on your existing, but hold back just a little bit on it, maybe a 32nd of an inch, it actually gives you a really nice dark detail line next to your, I'm using maple here, but it'll give you a real nice accent line right next to it. As long as you're consistent with it and you keep it all consistently 1/32, it looks really nice. It almost looks like you've got three films there. The light color, the light gold color with a real dark line around that, and then your maple, or your burl, walnut around that. I'm going to dip the second side right here. Everything seems to be going well. I am using a lot of activator on these films. The maple's not so bad, but the walnut needs quite a bit. Got those both dipped. Pull the paper off, rinse it off real well. And we've got our centerpiece. Got a couple pinholes in that. That was from the tape and the angle that I went in at. Even with a little bit of tape there, you can trap air, guys. So, anyway, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we're out.